Goa series Interlife. Swami Nityanand from Tamil Nadu, wanted by the police in Tamil Nadu for rape and all kinds of issues, plus also wanted by the Gujarat police for all kinds of misdemeanors, ran away to an island somewhere in South America near Ecuador called Kailasa, and he's got his own island, own passport called Kailasa. Now, Swami Nityanand made a disclosure the other day that for some time back that people who are vegetarians will go and have a path faster to God than non-vegetarians. Fine, I can understand that. However, Swami Nityanand's most startling revelation was something like this. He believes that $40 million is held by 1% of the people in the world. 40 trillion US dollars. And he is seeking a part of that wealth. His opinion is this, that when you die, the money that you have remains on the earth. You don't take it up with you. And when you're reborn or reincarnated, you may be reincarnated or born in a poor family where you may have no money, but you might be a multi-trillionaire in India or abroad or wherever. So you die rich, but you could potentially be born very, very poor. So he is telling these people that he has created through the Hindu Shastras a philosophy called Agama, and I repeat Agama, wherein he can track your reincarnation in your future life. So he is telling these people, the ultra rich, that please come and donate your money to me. I will bank it for you. I will make it grow for you. And when you are reincarnated, you will get 75% of your money back to progress your new life, reincarnated life. Swami Nityanand goes on to say that through Agama and Soul GPS, he will be able to monitor your reincarnated life wherever you might be. So, for instance, you are in America and you could be born in West Africa or East Africa or in the jungles of Amazon forest, South America, or wherever. So, wherever you are, in whatever condition you are, he will return you 75% of the money that you deposit in your lifetime now. If you choose your family of birth in your reincarnated life, or if you specify where you would like to be born, what station of life you would want to be born under, that also he will do through his soul GPS. And for that, he will charge you 50% fee. So if you deposit $100 million, now he will return you $50 million in your reincarnated life, in the position you have selected. He has targeted people like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and he is telling them that you have a lot of money now, but you may have none in your next life. And you got so much money in this world which you cannot use. You cannot take it up with you. So give it to me. He is going to create or has already created what is known as a interlife reincarnation trust management. And I repeat this, interlife reincarnation trust management. That money will be held in the trust which will manage the money for him and keep it in safekeeping custody to be given to that individual in their new life, reincarnated life, wherever they may be. And his soul GPS will monitor where that soul is. So if Bill Gates decides to give him $100 billion, he will keep 20 people focused on Mr. Bill Gates to monitor him. So when he dies, immediately he will know where he has been reincarnated. And $50 billion or $75 billion will be handed over to Mr. Bill Gates reincarnated, wherever he might be. Swami Nityanand is seeking 1 trillion US dollars, which will make him the largest trust in the world, and the only person in the world with the Agama and Soul GPS theory, which he says he guarantees 100% success. Now, it's up to you to believe it. Swami Nityananda is seeking 1 trillion US dollars out of the $40 trillion wealth, private wealth held privately. And he says that he's on the way to achieving that. So if you want to make $1 trillion, or if you want to make a huge amount of money, this is something that you can do. Agama and Soul GPS. Go for it.